Any home that has a hall needs a runner. The purpose of a runner is to connect narrow spots within the home that get substantial traffic. Runners are typically used in hallways, but are also perfect for kitchen islands, foyers, and stairs. Typical lengths are 6, 8, 10, and 12 feet. Because they are handmade, sizes will vary a few inches, plus or minus. New runners are typically about 2'6" to 2'9" wide. Staircases require around a 22-foot runner at a rate of 1.5 feet per step. Antique runners are often wider because stately, older homes have wider hallways. Runners are available in all sizes and colors and mirror the designs of traditional, transitional, and contemporary room-sized rugs. They can also have an all-over repeating design in floral or geometric motifs, be abstract and contemporary, or tone-on-tone. However, contemporary and transitional will be far less common than traditional formal or tribal designs. We often custom order runners by width and length because many of the premier companies making transitional and contemporary carpets only have 6x9 and larger, or they only offer a limited selection. I can help you find a pattern from a larger rug that reduces well to the smaller scale of a runner. Generally, these custom orders can be completed in 3 to 4 months. Here are some tips for how to make a statement with a runner. Be careful of putting too dark a runner in a hallway. I think warm colors like a bright red work better in a dark space. Ivory and white may look gray or dingy if they aren't well lit.